The world outside my car vanished into a blinding, howling whiteout. Snow and wind had buried the road, turning my commute into a frozen prison. The engine died hours ago. The silence that followed was more terrifying than the storm. The temperature inside plummeted, cold pressing in from every side. My fingers were numb, my body shaking uncontrollably. Panic whispered of a slow, freezing end. Alone, forgotten. But then I saw the 5-gallon metal paint can on the passenger seat. To anyone else, it was just hardware. To me, it was hope. Inside was my survival kit, each item chosen for a reason. As frost crept across the windows, I knew my next move would decide everything. The cold is patient, draining warmth with every minute. My car, once a shield, now pulled heat from my body. I reached for the can, pushing panic aside with action. This was the moment where theory became practice, my only defense against the cold. My story of survival would begin with the sound of duct tape peeling from the lid. I've tested survival gear in the harshest conditions. Most commercial car kits are flimsy, poorly designed, and not up to the task. The 5-gallon paint kit is different. Simple, rugged, and multi-purpose. The can itself is waterproof, durable, and doubles as a stove, water boiler, and signal device. It solves 4 problems: storage, heat, water, and signalling. Most people think their car is enough shelter, but it's just a cold metal box. Heating the whole car is impossible. You need to heat yourself in a small space. That's where this kit excels. I've used it in sub-zero nights, melting snow, staying warm, signalling for help. These aren't theories, they're proven methods. The kit is a system, not just a bag of random items. It transforms your car from a freezing trap into a life-sustaining shelter. Real-world testing and simple physics make it work. It's the difference between surviving and becoming a statistic. Assembling this kit is simple and affordable. Start with a clean 5-gallon metal paint can and lid. Pack 3 or 4 long-burning emergency candles for heat and light. Add 2 or 3 Mylar space blankets to reflect body heat. Include a roll of strong duct tape for shelter construction and repairs. Add 2 or 3 high-calorie SOS food ration bars. No prep, no freezing. Toss in a pack of chemical hand warmers for extra warmth. Include several chemical light sticks and waterproof matches or a lighter. Add 50 feet of paracord for versatile tasks. Each item is chosen for reliability and multiple uses. Seal the can with duct tape to keep it waterproof. Store it in your trunk. It takes little space but could save your life. This kit is your silent guardian, ready for the worst. The first step after being stranded is to conserve body heat. Heating the whole car is futile. Create a small insulated space instead. Use Mylar blankets and duct tape to build a tent or cocoon inside the car. Partition off the back seat or another small area. This micro-environment traps your body heat and the candle's warmth. Don't seal it completely, leave a gap for ventilation. Drape a second blanket over yourself for extra insulation. 2 layers, one traps heat, the other reflects it back to you. This small, warm space is your fortress against the cold. It dramatically slows heat loss and makes your candle far more effective. Mountaineers and indigenous peoples use this principle. Now you can too. Transform your car into a shelter that can sustain you through the night. With your shelter built, it's time for heat and light. Emergency candles provide both physical warmth and a psychological boost. Place a candle inside the paint can on a stable surface. The can contains the flame and radiates heat efficiently. Never leave a candle unattended or burn it while sleeping. The lid becomes a hot plate for melting snow. Use chemical light sticks as safe, flameless backups. Always leave a window cracked for ventilation. Carbon monoxide is deadly. A small gap in the window is essential for safe air. Light and warmth restore control and hope in the darkness. Safety and survival go hand in hand. After warmth, water is your next priority. Never eat snow directly. It drains your body heat. Use the paint can's lid to collect clean snow from the car's roof or hood. Place a small amount on the lid and set it over the candle-heated can. Add more snow as it melts, creating a small pool of water. It's slow but safe and effective. Let the water cool before drinking. Hydration is vital for generating heat and staying alert. Dehydration happens fast, even in the cold. The paint, can and candle turn endless snow into life-saving water. This simple method is non-negotiable for winter survival. Your body needs calories to generate heat. SOS food rations are dense, non-thirst-provoking and ready to eat. Eat small portions every few hours for steady energy. Food also boosts morale and routine. Chemical hand warmers add external heat. Activate and place in pockets or near your core, not directly on skin. At night, use warmers near your chest or abdomen to keep your core warm. This helps your body send warm blood to your extremities. Efficient heat management is key to surviving the cold. These small items make a huge difference. They help you endure until help arrives or the storm passes. History warns us, like the Donner Party trapped by snow in 1846. They lacked proper shelter, food and tools for winter survival. Their wagons offered little insulation. They ran out of food and options. Most perished not from foolishness, but from underestimating winter's power. Modern materials and knowledge, like Mylar, compact heat and rations, could have changed their fate. Their tragedy proves nature doesn't forgive a lack of preparation. Our kit addresses the very needs they lacked. Getting trapped in a car during a storm isn't rare. It happens every year. The difference between tragedy and survival is preparation. The paint can kit is compact, affordable and proven. Build your kit now. Don't wait for the first storm. Gather the can, candles, blankets, duct tape, rations, warmers, light sticks and paracord. Assembly takes less than an hour. The peace of mind is priceless. Show your family how to use it. Share the knowledge. Teach friends and neighbours. Empower your community. Prepared individuals lighten the load on emergency responders. Your actions can ripple out, saving lives beyond your own. Survival starts with a quiet afternoon and a few simple items. Prepare, build, share, and be the one who makes it home. The power to survive is in your hands. Before you go, if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more life-saving tips and survival know-how. Tap the subscribe button now. Don't miss out on future episodes that could keep you and your loved ones safe. Every week, we bring you simple ways to prepare for the unexpected. Join our growing community of survivors, share your own tips in the comments, and let's empower each other to stay ready no matter what comes our way. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and together, let's make survival second nature.